In the cutting edge of technology, especially in the world of AI, we are trying to minimize and reduce the amount that we are spending, especially when we are doing research about whatever topic you think. That is why today I'm so excited to share the 5 AI research tools for my PhD friend, for my master degree friend, for those who just want to research or writing a book or getting a conclusion of some of the books or the PDF file which is available online. All right, guys, the first tools that I'm going to explain with all of you is explainpaper.com. So probably you need to go and type www.explainpaper.com. I'm sure you will encounter the same page that I am right now. You may need to create an account in order to access this platform. It is so far free, but if you want to upgrade, go ahead and upgrade as well. I'm not going to upgrade. I just want to overview these tools with more details. Once you get to the dashboard, this is the dashboard. Let's upload the PDF file. I'm going to upload a file that I have in here and the file that I have. So let's begin the upload. All right, guys, as you notice in here, the paper has been uploaded. It is PDF file. Let's see what we can do in here. There's a 3 option: chat, explain, paper. In order to use the explain section of this specific, I can say AI research tool, as you need to highlight. Once you highlight, what you're gonna do is you don't have to do anything. It automatically goes to the explanation. Or let's click explain. As you look at in here, it gives me the explanation of the paper that I have. It is about 4 pages of a PDF file, but it gives me the conclusion of whatever written in here. As you look at in here, it mentioned Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, also known as Algorithmi, was a Persian mathematician. As you look at in here, I got a very simple explanation about these 4 pages. If I go to the paper, in here it gives the overview of this paper. I mean, what this PDF file for and what is inside this PDF file. As you look at in here, it says this paper discussed the contribution of the Persian mathematician named Al-Khwarizmi, who introduced the decimal number system and solved linear and quadratic equation. He is considered one of the father of algebra, and the word algebra and algorithm all derive from his name. So this is the shortest way where you can access the explainpaper.com. You can chat as well. For using chat version, you have to upgrade. So this is the free version. So far, it's really helpful. If I come to the paper, if I come to explain, it definitely explain everything for me one by one. This was tools number 1. Let's dive into the tools number 2. All right, guys, the tool number 2 is humata.ai. So if you look at in here, the first link, if you click on this one, it is also supported by ChatGPT, but it's also very interesting topic. You can highlight it as well and so on. Let's sign in or log into this platform and see the features one by one. If you don't have any account, in here the option is don't have an account, sign up. Let's click for sign up. All right, everyone, this is humata.ai. Let me upload the same file. Okay, guys, as you notice in here, the file has been uploaded successfully without any issue. Let's start asking. All right, as you look at in here, and the right side is my PDF file, and then left side is the summary of this article. If you think that the summary is enough, you just go ahead and say it's enough. If you don't, you may need to ask, let's say, who was Al-Khwarizmi? So in here, this tool is trying to grab the information from my PDF file. If you look at in here, it's highlighted properly without any issue or without any problem. It took about less than a minute to figure out and find out what I am asking about. Another good thing about this tool, AI tools, is you can share this information with your friend, with your colleague, with whoever you want to share. Even you can send an email this information as well. Let's say you have another question in here. For example, you doesn't know what algorithm means. So we can say, what is algorithm? What is algorithmic? If you look at in here, it auto-fill as well. We have to put the question mark and see if this file is able to pull out this information. As you look at in here, guys, this AI or this AI research tools grab the information from my PDF file and throw it into the left side to know what is going on. Let's say you have a paper which is 100 or 200 pages, but you don't want to like spend all your time to grab information. You can find out like who have done this and that, and which age he was like most popular, when was his peak of time, and so on. Let's dive into AI research tools number 3. The third AI research tools that I'm going to introduce with all of you guys is called wordtune.com. wordtune.com. If you look at in here in the left side, first page, click that one. Let's get access these tools for free. If you guys have an account, go ahead. If you don't, please go ahead and create an account. Okay guys, what we're gonna do at this time, once you log into this specific page, which is called wordtune.com, what we're gonna do, we're gonna upload to summarize. Let's find out some file to upload and summarize it. I will definitely go through the same file, and I want to see the summarization of this page or this research paper. So you probably grab whatever file that you want, but so far I'm using the same thing over and over. I just want to overview how it works and how it doesn't work. Guys, if you look at in here, I upload the same thing. In the left side, you can see the summary of the page number 1, and then you can see the summary of page number 2, and the last you can see the summary of page number 3. Okay guys, as if you have about 200-300 pages, in every page it gives you 3, 4, 5 paragraph to read one by one the conclusion. I truly like this. Is gonna be my second high recommended, let's say, research tools or AI research tools for all of you guys. Okay, this is the conclusion. I don't want to go with more details. You can download this conclusion, you can share this conclusion, and you can copy the all contents. So the good thing is, let's say it's 100 page, but if I want to copy, I have the copy. Now what I'm going to do, if I go to Word file, open a Word file and save it, I can save this all information. That is what I'm talking about. Wow, it's very interesting. Or we can see view sources. If I click view sources, it automatically comes that this is the view sources. It automatically pick from this document. If you think that these are the very accurate information and you like it, you can say, hey, where is the source, where you got this information? It automatically point to the page where it got this information. The second option in here, is re-summarize. Let's say re-summarize it, like, it's okay, but re-summarize it. I just want to make it, I just want more information, or I just want more summarize about that specific section. All right, this is the re-summarization. It changed it into different paragraph, but still, because based on the first page, it's trying to find out and extract to find out the proper answer. If you're not happy, you can re-summarize it. The same thing in here, re-summarize it, page number 2, page number 3, you can do the re-summarize. Copy, or you can say that add a note. If you want to add a note as well, let's say I want to add a note. So what the note is, so it's right already here, you don't have to note it. For my researcher friend, is called Callbots. So just type Callbots and click on the first page and click on the first link. You probably need to log into this one in order to access this feature. All right guys, this is the first page of callbot.com if you have created an account, which is great, and there you go. Let's start uploading. One thing you should keep in your mind, that this AI research tools only accept Word file. You have to have a Word file. As you notice in here, this tools helping us to figure out and write our thesis or write our research paper in a very professional ways. As you look at in here, I had an issue with the spelling, I had an issue with the comma, and there was an issue with the dot and so on. It's trying to figure out and put your file or the research paper into very profound structure. This is very interesting tool as well. I would definitely recommend everyone to use these tools as well. Let's dive into the tools number 5. Okay guys, the last but not least, I can say one of the another very interesting AI researching tools is called elicit.org. In this section, you probably need to create a username and password in order to access this feature. There is a two-way that you can use these tools. Either you can upload your file using PDF. If you look at in here, there's an option for uploading, or there are some research papers already here if you want to do the research. For example, let me ask about the biography of Steve Jobs. Search. If I can find any information about the biography of Steve Jobs, I don't have to type and do a lot of research, since you can find some random research paper for the biography of the Steve Jobs. There's a Steve Jobs, a biography written by Walter Isaacson. If you click on this one, you can find a lot of information about Steve Jobs. For example, one of the questions that I am going to ask in here, if I ask what was his education background, let's see if I can get some information. There you go guys. If you look at in here, I got a good information about Steve Jobs let's say education background as well. Okay guys, this was the last tools. All right guys, I hope the information was very informative. If you think so, the only way to appreciate my work is to simply subscribe and like the video. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and of course be curious as well. See you guys next time.